Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can open the settings. Here we need to scroll and find the option Users and Accounts and tap on Add Account. Choose Google. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Here you can decide who's going to use this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Okay, as you can see, it might take a while, so just be patient. Here we've got the backup, so you can decide whether you want to use the backup or not. I don't want to, so let me just tap on Don't Backup. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, and that's all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.